there was an option for motherfucking numerator and denominator for what the fuck is it? FPS. Okay, I might be in 9th grade. But what the fuck is a numerator and denominator? And why does it have to deal with FPS? I don't fucking understand. No. I have a learning disability. What does it mean? Just give me an old FPS for my recording. Damn. Hurry up, man. You know I'm running this on a goddamn working computer, but damn, this shit takes forever to goddamn load.